Hey guys, today we are going to discuss about how can we use the Swift UI view in our Swift UI Kit project. You are seeing this is our UI Kit framework view controller class, and this is our country view, okay, which is designed by Swift UI, and this is a country array. This area contains the 20 country names and their flags, which are showing in the right side of the preview, okay. And this is our country array, and this array are used in the country view, and this country name and flag are used in the horizontal stacks, and their spacing is 20. If we use increase or decrease, our country flag and the country name will spacing will be increase or decrease, okay. First of all, we showing here our country flag and then the country name, okay. Now we are going to use this country view in our view controller class. So let's see how can we use this. First of all, we go to the view controller class, and our storyboard. We need a button. This is a button. Give the constraint horizontal container, okay. When we are pressed this button, the country view will appear from our view controller class. We need to take an action, okay. Show country button action, okay. First of all, we need to take an object of a country view, countries. Yeah, this is a countries array, you know. This contains the country name and the flag, okay. We need to take an host controller, host host controller is equal to UIHostingController. Yeah, our root view will be country view, and just present this, present host controller animation true, okay. What's the wrong? We need to import SwiftUI, okay. Now let's run. Tap the button, okay. This is our country view which is present from our view controller. Tap, okay, nice. Now we need to see how can we send the data from SwiftUI to UIKit. That means when we select any country, we send this country's name to our view controller class. Now let's see how can we do this. Yeah, we need to go back to the country view, okay. We need to declare a callback closure on select country void, okay. This will be bar, and we need to add an tab gesture, country, okay. We refresh our preview. Is there any problem or error? Okay, it's fine. Now we need to go back view controller class. Yeah, we need to cache here our selected country. Just print here. Selected country is selected country name flag and flag. Okay, now let's run. Select the button. Okay, tap Germany. Okay, selected country is Germany. Spain. Okay, selected country is Spain. Russia. Selected country is Russia. Okay, it's work. We add another feature. When we select any country, the country view just dismiss. So use the dismiss. True. Run. Okay, here's error. Self. Run. France. Yeah, selected country is France and our country view is dismissed. Now we are going to see another approach. We don't want to present our country view. We just use the country view as a child view in our view controller class. So let's see how can we do this. We go back our storyboard. We just take a view. This is our view. We just present the country view in this view. Change the background color. Okay, take an outlet. Okay, set the constraint. Height will be 30. Take an outlet. Country container. Okay, we no need to use this. Host controller dot view dot frame will be our country container view bounds. Okay, add sub view host controller view. Okay, no need to use the present. Just run and see. Button. Okay, this is our country view that is used as a sub view in our container view. Okay, it's work. Thank you.